Is this absolutely mint Pioneer PL200 direct drive turntable. As you can see in the light, the lid is in mint, out of the box, brand new condition. Turntable base is equally as beautiful. Brightwork is superb. This has a genuine Pioneer cartridge with a brand new aftermarket stylus and is fitted on a very nice Audio-Technica head shell. Strobe is steady as can be. That is true also for 45. Through the cut button, we have auto return. And system down. Smooth cue down. Original bumpers still in place.
You still love me, you know I think you do. I have been wrong, and some reason follows my scream. I'm just trying to find my way out of this dream. It's only time to know I believe, and my mother don't believe there's no way. What she told me is the way.
And at the end of the record, auto return, and system down. It's another beautiful table.